Hey everyone, in this video we'll go over our take a break reminder on mobile. When the reminder pops up, the video you're watching will pause until you dismiss it or resume playing the video. This feature is off by default, so I'll show you how you can get to this on our Android and iOS apps. On Android, tap your account icon, then tap Settings. Now tap General. Tap Remind me to take a break, then select your reminder frequency. Getting to this in the iOS app is basically the same as Android. Tap your account icon, then tap Settings. Tap Remind me to take a break, then select your reminder frequency. Once the reminder shows up, you can tap Dismiss to get rid of it and resume watching the video, or tap Settings where you can turn off the reminder or edit the reminder frequency. If you'd like to learn more about this feature, visit the link in the description below. And that's it. Be well and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.